Do you have to go through your house every day and open and close blinds? And if you work either at home or away, you come home in the winter and your house is completely dark, or maybe your lights are on and your blinds are up, etc. Well, I have a solution for that. Let's take a look. So what I have over here is I've got blinds, normal, just cheapo blinds from Argos, and then I have this little device in the corner here, and that is a SmartBlind opener closer. And I have it connected up to my Echo, to my Alexa, and I have it on timers so that every day certain blinds open up automatically, whether I'm there or not, and they close automatically. I find this is really useful. Even though I work at home, I'm in a corner office way over in the back of the house, so I'm not even close to the kitchen. So every day I'd have to get out, go around the house, especially in the winter, and sometimes I'm on video calls or in meetings quite late, and then the whole house, all the curtains and windows are open. It looks like I'm not home when really I am. So with this, it's fantastic because it just opens and closes, and there's buttons on it, so I can press and it just moves the blind up. And you can see everyone's so curious about it. And I can use the other button to move it down. And because I've connected it to my Alexa, I can actually tell it, I name them all, and I can tell it exactly how far up or down the blind should go. Now it means that if I'm in the kitchen here cooking and it all of a sudden starts to get dark, I can just, without stopping cooking, I can tell it to close the blinds. Okay, or I can tell it to raise it to a certain amount, which is quite handy. I do have the one in my office on one of these, which is great, especially in the summer, because I forget what time it is, and I know that at a certain time my blind will come down, and that's like, oh wait, it's now 5:30, time to stop working. Okay, and in the winter I have it set so that it can close half an hour before sunset. Okay, so they're quite useful. They do have different types of devices for curtains. So you have different types of curtains, whether you have a pull cord, whether you have the tabbed ones, or whether you have ones that just pull across. So they have the same thing, and you can connect them up to your Hey Google, your Alexa, whatever your device is. Now this one I got from Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom. At the moment, I don't have an affiliate with anyone, so I don't get anything from it. But I just find it a really useful item to have around my house. I don't have it on every window, just the ones that I'd normally open and close most frequently. It's also entertainment for the cats. So when I'm in my office working and the blind automatically comes down, usually there's at least one set of eyes looking at it going, oh, what's that? And sometimes they'll run in the room and watch the blind go up or down. They know the sound, they can hear it. Now this one, you basically take off the front and you just loop around the chain, and it just automatically pulls it. So you really have to follow the directions when you install it. But it's just so great not to have to worry at night when I'm working. And as I said, even though I work at home, I could work quite late at night sometimes, and I forget about the time when I get into my work, and then it's pitch black and everyone can see right in your house. Okay, so this stops that. It's good for security. It's also great if you're away. That's the auto blinds. If you found this video helpful, useful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, do click on the subscribe button. There should be a video either up here or up here, which you might find interesting. And if you would like to suggest a topic for a video, do please put it in the comments below. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.